Yosen, and this is Eric. We are the co-founders of FoldUp. So, as you all know, virtual reality is going to be big. Do you believe in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we do. So, what's the problem of virtual reality? Let's take a look. So, you see, there's 7 billion people in the world. And virtual reality just started. It's inaccessible, it's very expensive, and it's only for the techies. So, how do we tackle the problem? We are building a solution through smartphone. So, what is FoldUp and PortPi? So, okay, so let's start with PortPi. PortPi is sharing platform for every 360 images. Think about Instagram for 360 and about VR. So what it does is, so this is,
sorry, the slides are a little bit
the
funny.
slides are funny.
Anyways, PortPi is a social media. It's a social media platform that you can capture 360 videos or images and share it directly on the platform and view it through the VR hardware or anything that uses mobile VR. And so basically what you do is you can take pictures with 360 and it feels as if you teleport there and share that experience. And that is what PortPi is.
And FoldUp is a VR platform for mobile smartphones. So through FoldUp, you can explore and browse every VR content through your smartphone. And this is the result that we have. In our updated slide, we have around 400,000 downloads currently. I'm sorry, this is not the right slide. And so this is PortPi. Yeah.
Anyways, so I'll explain about FoldDive. We're sorry about the slides, but FoldDive is a browser that allows you to browse anything on the internet, whether it be 360 videos or any content. Basically, you can watch web pages, you can view pictures, and it also curates everything on the internet, so you can search for them very easily and browse it on the platform.
So yeah, these are the two products that we are exploring and building. So I'm so sorry about the slides once again. It's the wrong slide. And if you want to try our platform, both PortPi and FoldUp, we are right there. We'll be here until the end. So please take a look at us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Here to answer any questions.
Of course, the stuff happens. It's all good. Don't worry about it. I've been lucky enough to actually try the FoldDive app out on my S6, and it's a great app. So I'm going to reserve judgment. If I try FoldDive out, come try the demo. Great energy. Just unfortunate this stuff happens, but good job anyway.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'd like to ask a bit about competition. So why can't a place like Instagram also provide a special section just for the VR?
Right. So in every company, you want to focus and laser focus on one. PortPi is the hub for people. 360 images, every 360-degree cameras, I hope will use PortPi in the future. And we will be the hub, we will become the library, we will become the sharing platform for 360 images.
Currently partnered with a lot of different 360 cameras out there, like LunaCam, like partnering with HTC to produce basically a platform that allows for them, whenever they take 360 pictures, to share it onto our platform. And we're planning about preloading and into all these different platforms right now.
And we take the first steps on this.
Yeah, great job with rolling with the punches of the technical difficulties. In one of the slides, you talked about installs, and like the obvious answer, like after installs, is always what's retention, what's monthly average users, daily average users, and kind of digging deeper, because I think a lot of people want to like the vanity metric of install, but then you want to see, okay, no, how do people stay? And so you want to always have both sides of that.
you so much, everyone.